Hi everyone, Letty here. I have the Not Too Shabby Shop November Releases Hop and Giveaway video. I'm going to be making an easy Polaroid card today, and you'll check out that Hop and Giveaway info. Welcome back everyone. I'm on the design team for the Not Too Shabby Shop for this term. Here's their logo. I'll list a website affiliate link down in the description box below. Today I have the Paper Pad Club, the add-on ephemera, and the stamp and die set of the month for November from Not Too Shabby. Let's look at the Paper Pad Club first. So it comes with two paper pads. The first one's Warm Winter Wishes. It's 24 double-sided sheets. This paper pad has 12 different designs. So you're going to get 4 of each of the patterns that you're seeing here. I'm showing you the back and the front of each of the papers that come in this paper pad. Again, 24 total sheets with 12 designs total, and one of them is this really pretty design with the little cut up ephemera with little bunnies, and so that's super cute. You can cut it up, fussy cut it, and have additional ephemera. So that's the Warm Winter Wishes paper pack, and so that's what it looks like. Again, 24 double-sided sheets. Then the next pad is Christmas Plaids number 2, and it literally is just a pack full of really pretty Christmas plaids. You get 24 different designs that come in this pack. You get 24 total sheets. So you're going to get 2 of each of the patterns because it's double-sided paper, but 24 total pages with a total of 24 designs. These are all the backs and fronts of the patterns that you will be getting. So you'll technically get 2 of each of the patterns. But again, this is double-sided, 24 total sheets. And so it's just a lot of really fun Christmas plaids that will be very versatile, that you can use with a ton of other different paper pads, including the other one that comes in this Paper Pad Club. So again, Christmas Plaids number 2. That's what this second paper pad is. And again, so both of these make up the Paper Pad Club. Now, you do get the option to do the add-on ephemera whenever you are signing up for the paper pad. And this one's called Warm Winter Friends. And so let me show you a still shot of what comes in that pack. It's super cute. You got a lot of really cute critters, and then some trees and some additional little things like bows and things. That really, really pretty. And then we have the stamp and die set of the month, also called Warm Winter Wishes. It has some really great sentiments, really, really good ones. A lot of them with hot cocoa theme. And then you also get some really cute critters. You get 6 critters, plus you have an additional little mug, a heart that can go into the mug, and some snowflakes. So just a really great stamp. And then you do have that coordinating die that you can purchase as well. And it'll cut out all the images, including the words or the phrases that come in this stamp set. So just a really great set. Again, Warm Winter Wishes is the name of that stamp and die set. So those are the November, or some of the November releases from Not Too Shabby. Again, Paper Pad Club, add-on ephemera, stamp and die. And again, I will have my website affiliate link for Not Too Shabby down in the description box below in case you want to make a purchase. Let's dive into the project. So today we're going to use some of those November releases, and I'm going to make easy Polaroid cards. I've done this before on my channel. It's one of my favorite templates. I will also talk about the hop and giveaway information in just a second. I'll go through all the dimensions used to make this card. It is such a quick and easy card. I did bring in the stamp set as well as some of the ephemera pieces, and then of course some of that gorgeous paper. I brought in both of the paper pads for this card design. So added a scrap to the inside. So let's go ahead and use up some of these supplies here. Here's what I'm using. I have an A2 size card base, and then I have a paper mat that's 4 inches by 5 1/4. So I cut this down from one sheet of 6 by 6. And so it's going to go on the front of our card. Now I do have a small square. This is 3 by 3, and you can get 4 of these from one sheet of 6 by 6. Cut it at 3 inches, turn it, and cut it at 3 inches again. So you can get 4 of those from one. Then I have a mat, and it's 3 1/4 by 3 1/4. And so that will layer up perfectly with a 1/8 border all the way around that 3 by 3 square. I'm going to put that on the front of my card, and that is our Polaroid design. And then what I'm going to do is just embellish with a piece of ephemera. I did pop it up on some foam dimensional tape, and I'll add in a stamp sentiment from that stamp and die set. And that will basically finish the front of my card. I will come in with some enamel dots, but I also have a scrap that I cut off when I was cutting down that A2 mat. So I cut my 6 by 6 paper at 4 inches, and then I rotated it and cut it at 5 1/4. And that's how I ended up with that little bitty scrap. And that little scrap will go on the inside of my card. So this is optional, but you absolutely can use up all of your paper. Again, I'll finish off with some enamel dots. I brought in the Fall is Coming collection because I wanted to use those pink ones. I had already used up a ton of the green ones on my previous cards. You can kind of see there. So again, that is the Fall is Coming enamel dot set from Not Too Shabby. Let's talk about the hop and giveaway why I assemble this card. So it is a hashtag driven hop. It's hashtag N2S November 24. There's also a playlist. I'll link it down below. So you'll click on that hashtag or click on the playlist, watch all the videos, like, comment, subscribe, and then make sure you go back to one of the videos to click on the giveaway link. The giveaway will run from the 10th through the 16th of November, and the winner will be announced on the Not Too Shabby YouTube community tab or feed. So you want to make sure you're subscribed to the Not Too Shabby YouTube channel, because the prize is a $25 gift certificate to the Not Too Shabby shop. So again, it's a hashtag, then you'll like, comment, subscribe to all the videos, click on that giveaway link, or you can also go to all of the videos through the playlist, which I will link down below. So I'll have that playlist and the hashtag down below so you can easily access it. So here is our card. We haven't quite finished. I am going to finish it off with some enamel dots. Again, I have that fall is coming enamel dots. I'm just going to audition them. I did decide to use the little pink ones. I put a cluster of 3 and then a little cluster of 2, and that will finish our card. Let's move into a full final recap. So to recap, we have the November 2024 releases from the Not Too Shabby shop, and we have the Paper Pad Club, the add-on ephemera pack, as well as the stamp and die set of the month for November from Not Too Shabby. So you'll definitely want to check that out if you haven't already. Now, today's project were easy Polaroid cards. I made 3 off camera and then 1 on camera with you today. We had a large mat, a 3x3 square, a 3 1/4 by 3 1/4 mat on top of that. Then we decorated with an ephemera piece, a stamped sentiment, and we added a scrap on the inside of our card. I did pop up my little ephemera piece with some foam dimensional tape. I had picked that up at Dollar Tree. So if you want to glue it straight flat to your front of your card, you absolutely can. On this one, I glued 1 piece of ephemera down flat, and then I popped up the little squirrel up with that foam dimensional tape. So those were our easy Polaroid cards using the November releases from the Not Too Shabby shop, the Paper Pad Club, the add-on ephemera, and then the stamp and die set of the month. And again, I will have that website affiliate link for Not Too Shabby down in the description box below, so you can access that in the event you want to make a purchase. It helps my channel grow at no extra cost to you. And make sure you check out all the videos and sign up for the hop and giveaway. You'll definitely want to check out all the inspiration from the design team using the November products for Not Too Shabby for this month. We have the Paper Pad Club, the add-on ephemera, the stamp and die set, and then of course the box of the month. As always, happy crafting.